On this episode of Randy's Family Kitchen, we're going to be doing a variation of my grandma's no-bake cheesecake. Nothing's from scratch, everything's store-bought. I'll leave notes in the description and in the video about variations and how to do some of that stuff from scratch if you want to. Let's get started. We're going to start by adding 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. Make sure they're room temperature. Next, 1 cup of sugar. You can use powdered sugar if you want it more dense. I like it airy, so I'm using granulated. Beat until well incorporated. That was high speed. Now once that's creamed, we're going to add an 8-ounce tub of whipped cream. Cool Whip or a nice hot brand. Now we're going to fold this in just like we fold in egg whites. Don't mix it in with an egg beater or it will kind of collapse. Just like when making a chiffon cake or incorporating egg whites that you folded into a peak for a meringue. It's the same principle. Just fold it in. You could add a teaspoon of vanilla extract if you wanted here, or a 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, but I don't like that tang. I want it to be sweet, like a dessert. I'm not making a custard here. I'm making a cheesecake. And there we go. Now, fill your pie crust. If making the pie crust from scratch, that will be in the description below. Now just dump it all in there, and then we're going to smooth it out. Just like that. There we go. Now before we top this with pie filling or our favorite fruit, we're going to stick it into the fridge for at least 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, overnight preferably. We let our no-bake cheesecake chill. Now it's time to top it. You could do berries. Could take some chocolate of some kind, then shape it over the top. I personally prefer the cherry or the strawberry. Et voila! Boop. Just for a little contrast. There we go.